started getting too dark so you couldn't even see anything. But pretty much I got everything temp installed. These are still loose, so it's just kind of butted up against each other. And I just threw a couple of bolts in just to hang it from there because I didn't want to jack holding it all night, and I didn't want the engine lift to be holding it. Right here, since we have access to install the belt, since the engine mount's not in, we're going to go ahead and install the AC compressor, so then we could route the belt, and it'll be easier now than it will be with everything bolted up. Can't put the belt on until it's mounted because it's just flexing the whole engine. So we're going to go ahead and put the upper mount in. There's two 17s, one in the front, one in the back. Now we're going to put this bracket that goes from the mount to the body, 14 millimeters. And we'll go ahead and put on this bracket. Now with the mounting, we can put in the support bracket. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the flex plate to the torque converter. Just got to line up one of the holes. Once we got one in temp installed, we're going to put a wrench on the crank and we're going to spin it until we get all 8 installed. Oil pressure sensors plugged in. pressure sensor right here. Down here, that white clip, go ahead and connect that one in. With the wiring harness, we're going to start putting everything back, starting with the injectors. This grounding wire, put it on its clip. I'm going to go ahead and put our coil pack plugs. After the throttle body connectors, there's the one that's on the back of the head right here, and then this other one that sits on the back of the throttle body right here. Now we can go ahead and put our fuel line in. Got the radiator temp installed. There's still going to be some body work to done, but I connected the hoses, connected the battery, connected the intake. Everything's good. Let's go ahead and start it. And there you go. That's how you replace a motor on these Civics. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.